All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Dlux Motorsports, fired up today. Today I'm bringing you a 2015 Ford F250 Platinum, four-wheel drive, 6.7 power stroke. It's been lifted a total of 10 inches. It's adjustable to 12. Sitting on a set of 38 Mickeys, brand freaking new. Set of 2414 Specialty Forged wheels. If you go to my website, you guys will be able to see a full list of the upgrades. I don't want to go through all of them in the video because it'll take too long. Our website direct is www.dlux-motorsports.com. You can follow us on Instagram at Dlux_motorsports. Folks, if you guys haven't already, that bottom right hand corner right there, make sure you guys click the subscribe button. As always, like and subscribe. A little bit more of the paint. Paint's in very, very good shape. You got some small rock chipping on the driver and passenger side door, as you would expect with 14 wides. We are going to touch up as much of it as possible. You have one small dent right here at the bottom of the tailgate. There's a little mark in it. The Anderson hitch is mine. It does not come with the truck. Again, full platinum edition. As you can see, the paint shines super nice. It is finished off in pearl white. Give you guys a couple good shots of the interior. Interior is still like new. It's in very, very good shape. Heated seats, power seats, memory seats, pretty much power everything. Factory navigation, finished off with wood grain trim. Again, leather interior, very, very nice. Back seats, very nice. Factory sunroof as well. Carpets are still in very good shape. Just some basic normal wear. The truck is 5 years old, but it still looks very, very nice. This truck came out of California, and then the second owner, I believe, was Nevada. So absolutely zero rust. The undercarriage is clean as can be. As far as rust, no issues anywhere. Body rust free. Like I said, truck is knee deep in rubber, brand new tires. It's a third set of 38 1550 Mickey Thompsons. Give you guys a shot of the passenger side real quick. Same thing, passenger side, the paint is in very good shape. Just some normal rock chipping from the truck being on 14 wides. Outside of that, everything else is almost near perfect. Wheels in very good shape. Brand new 4-inch full exhaust. The other one that was on it was just in crappy condition. Not crappy condition, just older looking, so we replaced with a brand new one. So again, 2015 Ford F250 Platinum, 6.7 power stroke. It is just now coming up for sale. You guys will see it live on my website with tons of pictures, this YouTube video, and I'll probably even do 1 or 2 more videos of this truck as well. I expect it to sell pretty fast. We had a lot of interest pre-sale. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, call me direct, 540-898-1300. You can also follow us again on our website, Facebook, and then also on Instagram. Insta again is Dlux_motorsports. So then, see you guys next time. Like and subscribe.